Ranch. They draw all over the road. All of the dumpsters, all of the cars. All of the dumpsters. Walk out there in that field. Somebody left spray paint out here for you. What's up? What's on them? Huh. Yeah, it's like looks like they put spray foam on it. Oh my god, what a mess. People don't clean it up either, do they? A lot of spray paint. Kind of like a junkyard, that's for sure. Route 66, Cadillac Ranch. There's the camper right there by the highway. Sitting there patiently. Are you cold? See? Texas is cold and windy. Doesn't have to be very cold with this breeze to be cold, huh? Alright, that's Cadillac Ranch. Check the off list. Check off Big Texan Steakhouse and RV Park. We didn't record any of the RV park because there's really not much to see.
Except for the bouncy thing.
Kind of like Amarillo, Texas. It's just in the middle of the desert. Oh yeah, I guess I did get you on the bouncy thing, didn't I? Alright, let's see if we can find our way out of here. Off towards Albuquerque, New Mexico. Kinda. Sorta. Somewhere. New Mexico, not Mexico. New Mexico.
Yeah, we spent one night in Oklahoma, one night in Texas, one night in New Mexico. Albuquerque.
So we can get out this way?
Yeah.
Why is it red?
Traffic. So pretty. It says there's high traffic.
High traffic. Oh, I suppose I got lots of room over there.
We don't have a little house.
Oh, but we want to push it all the way to this side, don't we?
Oh my man's calling me old horses. We're next to the city. No, we're not. Oh, yes, we are.
You ain't next to...
No, we're next to the city of cactuses.
You're not next to no city right now.
We're next to the city of cactuses. Yeah, we are.
Right, kids. Going for a hike. Up that, huh? This camera don't do it justice, but here, maybe if I go like this. Let's actually see how tall it is. Alright, we're going on top of that. We'll look back down when we get up there. Ready, Emma?
Yeah.
All right, viewpoint loop. We're going left that way. Yep. Does it say what the elevation is? No, no, don't. A lot. Up that. All right, let's go.
We're bears.
It's really cool.
Mama, take a picture.
Oh man, there it is, huh? The top of nowhere. I was wondering what was on the other side. That's it. Yep. Now, Audrey, that's a cliff. Straight down. There, way down there is our camper. Well, not there, but there's the river. And our camper is yeah, it's gonna be over here somewhere. This is what we were just looking up. Our camper is way down there somewhere. This camera's not doing any justice, but that bridge right down there, that's where we walked across. Then we hiked all the way down along the river and then up the other side over here. But that's the campground we're looking at. Now we gotta hike over here somewhere in there, down that other side. Cool. I'm standing on the edge. Right there's my foot, right there's the edge. Down. I don't know, it's just an Emma down. Just can't handle it. You tired? We'll keep climbing elevation. Puppy came back to check on you. They just want the water.
I want to know. I think we're in the desert, as he says.
And we made it back. Girls, 2 miles? Alright, I was just gonna check right now. 1.7?
1.76.
And we did the whole thing. Oh, not this. We did this loop.
0.7, 0.5, 0.5, 0.1.
Sure.
I'm almost fell off a cliff. So 1.7.
Emma slipped and almost fell, yep.
I was like...
Alright. 1.76 and sure said 1.7.
1.76.
1.76?
No, 1.76.
Oh. Right on the money.
That was fun.
Alright. Our morning hike, and now we get to travel towards Albuquerque. If I could pronounce where we are right now, I'd let you know, but I can't pronounce it.
Vilanueva.
Vilanueva State Park. We're in New Mexico. I can't pronounce anything.